Okay, this is my 1-year update review on my 2010 Nissan Maxima S. I'll do another quick walk around of it. It has the Nissan and just presses to lock the doors. Press it once to unlock the driver's side. Press it twice to lock all 4 doors. This car is a really good car. I haven't had any problems with it in the 1 year I have owned it. It's very comfortable. It gets good gas mileage. The EPA rates this car 19 city, 26 highway, and right now I'm averaging about 21, 22 miles per gallon. Sorry if the quality is not clear. I'm on my iPad mini. So right here, you just push start. Put my foot on the brake. As you can see, I have 57,632 miles. When I purchased this car last year on August 18th, 2012, it had 40,000, almost 41,000 miles on it. So in 1 year, I almost put 17,000 miles on my car. This car is very fast. It has Nissan's V6 engine, 3.5 liter, 290 horsepower, 261 foot-pounds of torque. It's really fast. Let me see. Let me just rev it up a little bit. That's just a little. Yeah, this is the radio controls for my auxiliary. That's the AC, automatic climate control. That's the controls right down here, and this is for my phone, my little Bluetooth auxiliary board. Let me turn it off. These are the cruise control switches right over there. That's the controls for the radio and my Bluetooth. This car is fully loaded for it to be a it's not a base model, but it's not the upper trim. It just nicely well equipped. I think the base model doesn't even have Bluetooth on this particular body style, the Maxima. It has sunroof. It's very roomy too. These buttons over here to my far left, this is to reset your trip computer and stuff, and it's to cycle through all the menus. That's my miles per gallon I'm averaging right now on this tank of gas. My range. My alerts I can set up. This is my maintenance menu for my engine oil and all of that. This car is, like I said, it's nicely equipped. It has automatic lights. And let's go take a tour of the outside yet again with the lights on. Let me take it off of auto. Put my signals up, my 4-ways on. That beeping here is letting you know that the car that detecting the key. Look at my aftermarket. I installed these HIDs. They're 6000. I removed the projector beams. I didn't like them too much, so I got these instead. They make it look like, you know, the higher trim Maxima, the SV trims, and it works really good. It lights up the road really nice at nighttime. I love the way how the lights look, especially at 19 with the LEDs on the back. It makes the car look really aggressive. Look underneath the hood. And here it is, Nissan's VQ 3.5 liter V6 engine. Like I said before, it has 290 horsepower, 261 foot-pounds of torque. It has a 20-gallon fuel tank with an EPA rating of 19 city, 26 highway. This engine is very smooth, and it has the CVT transmission, which is an excellent pair with the V6 motor. These are some more controls right here. And this is for my trunk right here. This button right here is my trunk release. And then this little slot right here is where I put my key at. If the battery's running dead, I just insert it in this little slot right down here. This slide just goes, my key just go in here, and then my car will detect that it's inserted, and it will still let it start. This is the trunk. For this size, because this car competes with the Chrysler 300, Toyota Avalon, Hyundai Xterra. To me, it's big to me, but others rated it smaller than what the other competition has. But to me, it's a nice size trunk. This is the back seat. Like I said, this car is roomy. Got the rear passenger vents for the AC and heat. You might not be able to see because it's kind of dark back here. The rear passenger's got adjustable headrests on both seats. It has a fold-down center armrest with cup holder right over here. And these seats do fold 60-40. This is from the passenger side right on the back side. It's about to rain out here in Las Vegas. It's thundering and stuff, but it's a beautiful day outside still. Here's my baby right here. I don't know why my cooling fan kicked on because I don't have my AC on, nothing like that. Okay, here's the passenger front. It's the 18-inch wheels and tires that came from the factory from Nissan. I hope you enjoyed my quick walkthrough and 1-year review of my car. I will do like a test drive later on in the day. Thank you.